Come on. Quickly. Quickly.
Hi everyone, it's me here.
And me, I'm Mr. Bentley.
Say hello.
Hello.
There you go. Put him down now.
Okay, don't
Poor
hurt
little
his
lad.
stitches.
Poor little heart lad. Okay, so I've got a little bit of a happy mail share for you today. But there's a little bit of a story behind it. This is
Pray tell.
This is from a lady called Liz Cole. Liz contacted me months and months ago, just as we were preparing to move house, when I was using alcohol pens, and I was going through the process of deciding whether to go back to Copics or whether to go to the less expensive Pro Marker ones. And she contacted me saying that she had lots of Pro Markers and that she didn't want anymore, and would I like them? And I said, well, yeah. I used to have in the past every Pro Marker colour there was.
Sad.
I know. And then I gave them all to Mum because I stopped card making. Now that I'm back into doing more art journaling and that kind of stuff, then I'm finding that I need to use alcohol pens a little bit more often. So I said yes, thank you very much. But because we were moving, I asked Liz to hang on until we'd actually moved into our new house, because I didn't want her to send them and then us move, and then, you know, I didn't want them to get lost. Anyway, long and the tall and the short is, we're in. I contacted Liz and said, we're ready. So she sent a parcel. But, getting a bit beyond yourself there, mister, just share that. The reason I've got him here is because I'm not sure whether or not Liz has put something in there for a certain four-legged friend. So if there's something in here for him, there might also be something in it for me.
I'm not bothered. Something for Bentley, I don't know.
So anyway, so that's the brown paper.
Okay.
Right. And what I'll do now is I'll just switch over.
Oh, down a bit.
So we can actually see you opening the box.
Me opening the box.
Okay, our kid.
Okay.
No idea what's in this one.
There's a little card.
Is there?
Yes. And the
Right,
card
just
says
check.
Mrs. Mike, Ian and Bentley.
Okay. Just don't read it out straight away. Just check that there's nothing personal in there first of all.
Oh, it's just from Carmarthenshire.
So it's Wales.
Yes.
Welsh Wales.
Welsh Wales. We're going to Welsh Wales soon.
We are.
Going to Aberystwyth.
Go on. Carry on, finish reading.
Okay. Dear Ian, Mike and Mr. Bentley, here as promised are the Pro Markers and some Aqua Markers too, I think. I've also enclosed some other bits and pieces for your collection from my collection. Somebody wants to come in. Bear with. Oh no, he's back. He's talking to Ned.
We're talking to Ned next door, is
Ned
it?
next
Fair
door.
enough.
Okay, hopefully we'll be able to come up with something brilliant with them. The little package for Ian are some headlight bulbs. I'm not sure if they work or not. Can't remember if they were replaced because they'd blown or were just not bright enough. Keep up the vlogs and the art videos as I love them all, and I know I'm not alone. Big loves, Liz. Thank you, Liz.
Oh, blessed. So are you going to go and let Mr. out the
Yeah, I was talking to. Are you not talking to Ned now? Come on, in you come. Hiya, Ned. Oh, I love Ned. Okay.
So should we get back onto the business then? So what's this then?
It's a magazine
Ooh.
from Welsh Wales.
Coast to Coast magazine.
Excellent.
I like the colour. I like the front cover. No, I like this.
Yes.
I like this kind of. What's the style?
It's what they used to do on the railway posters in the 1930s.
Yes.
McKnight Cowfer.
Definitely.
Well, we have some embellishments and some shells. And a little piggy. A little piggy. Look at a little piggy. Okay. That's a nice bubble wrap.
Buble wrap. Large buble wrap.
Glue stick.
You're going a bit too fast.
Sorry. A glue stick.
Glue stick.
A glue stick.
It's an unusual one. I've seen one of them before. Not that particular brand anyway.
Ooh,
what else have we got?
Little bottles. They're handy for what I'm making at the moment.
Oh.
It's a transfer, so it'll come off.
Excellent.
In fact, it'll come off very easily, unlike the ones I did yesterday.
So little glass bottles.
Yeah.
What else have we got?
We have some pens, Pro Markers, in there.
Lovely. Could you just like put your hand in and just grab a few out so people know what we're talking about?
Pro markers, aqua markers.
Lovely. So these used to be made by a company called Letraset. They're now owned by Daler Rowney, and obviously dual-tipped alcohol pens.
Some tiny ickle shells. Oh, they are little, aren't they?
Oh, they're sweet. I wonder if they're off the beach.
Possibly.
If there is a beach near Carmarthen.
An owl tin.
An owl tin.
That's been used with an owl tin. These are from some twine for you.
You're going a bit fast.
Sorry. Oh, some little. Oh, they're nice. Look at those little light bulbs.
Right, just hold them.
They're a bit funky.
Blue.
They'd be nice. Those.
Let me just set away out of focus. That's better.
They're cool. Those.
Lovely.
I can light those with LEDs underneath. I think there's two. Yes. Excellent. Thank you.
A pair of funky sunglasses.
Good are they? They're funky, those, aren't they?
Like Dame Edna.
My friend wears things like that. And then there's a pack with some playing cards and cuts, die cuts. I think they're other playing cards and all sorts of things.
Lovely.
Some of them look a little
Like
bit
happy families.
happy family, yeah. There's some little acetates and some die cuts again.
Lovely. Sorry, I was out of shot there for a little second. Quite a nice little Victorian kind of steampunk gentleman.
Yeah. These are nice. Couple of National Geographic. We like those because of the photos.
We do.
in
We
there.
love the photos.
Mr. Mandela. Oh yeah.
Mr. Mandela.
Mr. Mandela. It's an old one, 1999,
Excellent.
and an old map. I know you like your old maps.
I do. Love my old maps. And it's a big one.
It is a big one. Where are we?
It smells.
Comes down to
Smells
Newcastle.
old.
It does smell old.
Scotland, isn't it? In the borders,
Yeah,
Northumberland.
yeah, Darlington. Starts at Darlington, so it's the north.
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 North of,
Here.
of the United Kingdom.
Yes. And that's it.
Lovely. Brilliant stuff. So, let me just switch back round again. The dog's gone missing.
I know.
He's run off.
I'll say goodbye. I'm going to look for him, make sure he's not licking his staples.
Yes.
See you later.
And there's somebody at the door. Backing him in. So, Liz, thank you so much for the pro markers and for all the other bits and
Thank
pieces
you.
in there. I'm sure Ian's going to come up with something fantastic
I
with
will.
those bulbs. And I shall add those to plasma discs.
Postman's, yeah. Postman's just been with some more stuff.
It's busy today.
It's always busy. We've 5 deliveries.
Yes, already.
But I've got a new electric pipe cutter which I'll be showing in the vlog
Yes, later. For next week, probably.
Yes.
That's it from me. And from you. And that's the postman again.
Bye.
Oh, honestly, it's like Piccadilly Circus in here today. That's all for me. Hope you enjoyed that quick happy mail. If you did, please remember to give the video a thumbs up, share the video with your friends, and if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel already, you can do so by clicking the button at the end of the video. That's all from me for now. I'll see you all again very, very soon. What is it?
Bye.
Is it for me?
Yes.
Is it a card?
Yes.
Oh, bye. I'd like to say a huge thank you to all of my angels, because without you, these videos would not be possible. Thank you.